In this lecture, we are going to create section 5.5. If you see here, 4 sections already we have created. We'll go to insert, curves, curve through XYZ points, browse, and this section 5 CC we will import. Click on OK here. You can see the curve has been generated. Now insert, curves, and curve through XYZ points, browse, and this last section, that is section 5 convex, we are going to open. Now click on OK. You can see. Let us hide all the other 4 sections. So I'll select this, this, and this section, and let us hide them. Now as usual, whatever we have done earlier, same thing we will do. We'll create a plane and we'll take sketch, and we will create a sketch using these 2 curves. Let us hide this plane. Now we will go to convert entities and select these 2 curves so that the imported curves will transfer into the sketch, and let us hide the original curves. These 2 curves we are going to hide. We'll take circle and create 2 circles. One circle here for leading edge and one circle here for trailing edge. And select these 2 curves, make it tangent. Again, select these 2 curves and make it tangent again. Click on OK. Similarly, on the other side, we will select these 2 curves and make them tangent, these 2 curves, and create a tangency relation between them. Now, we will take smart dimension and from this origin point of the coordinate system, use the shift key, and you can see we are able to generate the tangential dimension. Just click here and let us see the dimension. The dimension here is XLE 14.43. Copy it. Let us paste the dimension here. Press on the enter key. And now let us go for trimming the portions that are not required. This area, this portion, and this portion. You can see. Click on OK. This is completely constrained, so we need not fix the center. Now let us come on the other side. Now let us give the dimension from here to here. And as I have already told you, we must give the align dimension. This is the horizontal dimension, this is the align dimension. Now here, what I have observed that it is taken the center. So see, I have selected this dimension, and when I come to leaders and just go down here, from center to center it has taken. I want max to max. Click on OK and let us see. See, now it is OK, and this side also it is OK. Now let us give the dimension here. The dimension that we want is 37.5225. Copy this and let us give the dimension here. Press on the enter key. When I click on OK, you can see this side is constrained. We'll take trim entities and trim the portions that we don't require. Now click on OK. This is converted to blue, so it is not defined or underdefined. So just select the center and fix. Now you can see the sketch is fully defined. We'll exit the sketch. This is the 5th cross section. So I'll select this 4, 3, 2, 1. All the sections I'll select. We have created all the 5 sections here. Now we are going to connect all these aerofoils through a tangential body. It is quite easy by the use of lofted boss. You can see in features, we will take lofted boss or base. And here we have to just select the aerofoils. Select this aerofoil. You have to make the aerofoil perfectly, then only this body will form. If you have any open sections, then it will be a problem. See, I'll select the 2nd aerofoil, 3rd aerofoil, 4th and 5th. You can see a preview. Everything is green, so everything is perfect. There is no problem. Click on OK. And you can see we have created our aerofoil body. Let us hide the aerofoils so that we will have only the body left. So from here to here, everything we will hide. We will hide all the aerofoils. Just save this file. Now, in the next lecture, we are going to develop the axial dovetail route.